Hello, and this is a tutorial on how to get music into your Construct 2 layout. As you can see here, when I run the layout, you can hear music playing. Now to get music into your Construct 2 layout, what you have to do, go to a YouTube video. Here's a great soundtrack by Monstercat. Take the link, go to listentoyoutube.com or a similar YouTube to MP3 service, paste the link, and download the file. Okay, I did that wrong. Uncheck this, then download the file. Once you download the file, it takes a while, then go to this website right here called Cloud Convert. It is in its beta format, but it is a very good website. So as soon as this finishes downloading, there it is. So once you put it into the website, you click here and you convert it into an OGG file format, and you start the conversion. Once it is done converting, you can re-download the file. Then go into Construct 2, right-click on the music folder, click on Import Music, then go to your downloads and open up the file. Once it has been imported, you select it as the main music file. Then you go to your event sheet and you create a new event for the system. Then you go to on start of layout. Then you add the action for audio. Then play. And then you would select whichever music file you would like and set it to loop. Then you press done. Since I have already done this, I will delete this one. Then when you go back into your game layout, it'll play the song instead. Well, yeah, I'm done.